For this example, I have a students variable, which is an array of objects where each object has a name, age, and major key. So say I wanted to search through our list of students and find the first student whose age is over 20, and then return the name of that student. I can use the find method in order to help me do that. So what I'll do is create a variable that we'll call student over 20 and set it equal to students dot find, and for each student we'll call a callback function, and that student would be the shape of an object, the key's name, which is a string, age, which is a number, and major, which is also a string. Now, because we're using the find method, if we don't find the value that we're searching for, then the find method is going to return undefined. So when we run our function, because I'll ultimately be looking for a string value for the name, then our function will either return a string or undefined. And inside of our function, we will create an if statement, and we'll say if student dot age is greater than 20, then we want to return that student's name. Then we can test out our code by creating a console.log student over 20. So we'll save, we'll build our code, and we'll run it. And our result is the student Michelle. It's the first one that we find who has the age greater than 20. So in review, we use the find method to iterate over an array and find the first object that matched our search criteria. And we also learned that if the find method does not find an item matching our search criteria, it will return undefined.